Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to my channel. I have some happy mail to share with you guys. It's coming from my bestie Susan. And it's actually my Christmas. She wanted to send it early. She's so silly. So, let me go ahead and start. I don't even know where to start. Okay. So she picked up this from Hobby Lobby, and it is the embossing glaze, and let's see if I can see the colors. I don't know. Cracked pistachio, speckled egg, and broken china. I thought these colors were pretty. I didn't know what color she was getting me. I didn't even know she was getting them, actually. But, she got me these. She knew that I wanted, some. And it was when they were having their clearance sale. And she found some. So, I was excited to get these. Okay. And I'm sorry, this might be a little shaky. I'm not feeling well. So, I'm filming it from my bed. This is old school. So I hope y'all don't mind too much. She also got me this, and I actually got two, because I actually got one from Crafty Bean. It was Tina Bean, my BFF. And so I already sent one out to somebody and shared it, because I didn't need to. So I also got one from Susan, my bestie. So I got this one, and it's by Momenta, and it's a shaker, and it comes with domes, and it is so cute. Oh, it includes 2 shaker domes. Oh, awesome. And I had actually bought some extras from Hobby Lobby, and you know what? Let me see if I can open it so we can see. Oh, does it show on the back what dies that it is? It has these dies right here. Oh, so you get a hello. Oh, you also get a hummingbird. You get these dies. A butterfly. Oh, so that's nice. Cool. That's pretty. Thank you so much. I opened it with her on the phone when I first got it. I was actually crying at one point. So, I mean, it was happy tears, but... and then from Hobby Lobby, she picked this up, and I have never seen this at Hobby Lobby. At my Hobby Lobbies, anyway. But this is from... Is it from the Paper Studio? Huh. I do not know. Is it? Am I missing it? I'm assuming it's the Paper Studio. It says Oh Holy Night. And it is so pretty. So it has foil in it. Let's see if I can get it to open. It's not cooperating. Okay. So you get 3 of each. All is calm, all is bright, adore him, O holy night. You get these beautiful angels. I love this page. You get this beautiful sky, snowflakes and little twinkles, stars. You get this gold foil page. You get this background page. It has Merry Christmas, and then it has snowflakes. You get this one with the angels and the doves. And the angels have horns. Trumpets, I guess. And here's a plaid. Here's one with gold snowflakes and stars. Oh, this one's beautiful too. All is calm, all is bright, O holy night, adore him. And then it has the angels, and they have gold foil on them too. So pretty. And then there's some foliage. And it has this pretty background with gold foil. Look how pretty that is. Wow, that's stunning. And then you get this one with some, some spotting. Sorry about that. Some doves with some foliage in its mouth. And then these beautiful angels. Oh, I love this page. And some snowflakes. Oh, it's so pretty. So there is that paper pad that I got. And I love it. I want another one. Okay. And then next, so I have just recently got the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foiling system. And I'm hurting. Sorry, guys. So she had picked me up some Glimmer hot foiling plate and die sets. So she got me this one called, what is the name of it? Glimmer Edge Flowers by Spellbinders. Isn't that pretty? That's what they look like. Is it in the wrong place, or is it missing one? No, it's right here. So that's really pretty. And then I got this one here. This is called Yana's Special Sentiments. So it has happy anniversary. Thank you. You are a wonderful friend. On your special day, make a wish. I hope it will come true for being there for me. Oh. Thank you. Make a wish. I hope it will come true. Thank you for being there for me. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. And thank you for your help. And then it has, it cuts out the word too, the shadow. So I like that. That's nice. And then the next one she got me is called the Magnolia Bouquet. It is gorgeous. And they look like this. Very beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, I love those. And to go along with those, she got me some hot foil system glimmer. Glimmer aluminum, it says. So it's the actual foil. She got me a variety pack. Aren't those pretty colors? And I like how these two like do the, they have like, that one looks like glitter, and this one looks like a prism. And they're beautiful colors. So she got me that one, and then she got me like this rainbow one. I don't know if they have colors. Do they? Oh yeah, this one's called Rainbow, like I said. And this one, let me see. Teal, pink, silver holographic, speckle, and silver holographic facets. Okay. And next, like it, guys. Oh, I don't know if I can stop it. Oh no. Okay, sorry. Next, I got this stamp set. I mean, as stickers, and these look so cool, and they're like epoxy. They're so pretty. And then she sent me some stuff that she stamped out for me. And so she had this Heartfelt Creations set that had bees, and this is like a really old set that like you can't find anywhere. And so they had these little houses with the bees. Look at the bees. Aren't they adorable? And guys, I don't sell stuff or anything, so these are for my personal use. So it's not like I'm doing anything wrong. And she's not, these are her personal belongings. So she cut it out, stamped it and cut it out for me. And then there's this house here, and she kept the doors in case I want to put them back in. And then there was this house. I don't remember the name of the set. And then there's this house, and then it has the little honey, and then the honey dippers. So stinking cute. And then she has this stamp. And then I asked her if she could do like a, oh, and then she gave me this, like so that I could have like a stencil. And she gave me these two. And then I asked her if she could do like a whole background for me. So she did like a whole background of them. So I could have one background to do. So that was really nice of her. And I think she did two of these for me. Yeah. And then she has a CD. She has CDs of House Mouse where you can do decoupage. And so she sent me some. The CDs are like old school. You can't buy them anymore unless you find them on the second-hand market, like eBay or something, if you're lucky. So she sent me this one. Oh, this is a surprise. You'll see this soon. Okay, I forgot to take that out. And she sent me this one. And she sent me this one. And this one. And this one. Some of these I actually want to get the stamp. Okay. And then we're almost done. Then she sent me this one that just came out by the Greeting Farm. It's called Pumpkin Spice Anya. They did a pre-order on this, and then they did it to where they had a few extras, and so they listed it on their site. I don't know if it's still available, but you might want to check the Greeting Farm to see if they have any more if you're interested. But it's called Pumpkin Spice Anya, and it says Pumpkin Spice My World. Pumpkin Spice is my favorite season. It's fall, y'all, and I love fall. And it has like different drinks you can put in her hand, or maybe an apple, and then it has a fox and a bunny, and then it has different things you can do, and she's sitting on pumpkins. She's so cute. I love her. And then during September, Kitchen Sink did a collaboration with Simon Says Stamp, and she got me the set. She knows I love butterflies, and it is so pretty. So it's a 3-layer stamp set. Well, for this one, yeah, for all 3. So there's 3 different ones. And then there's some sentiments. So it says, wake up believing it is going to be better than yesterday. Or today is going to be better than yesterday. With heartfelt hugs, you've made my day brighter just by being you and sending you butterfly kisses. And then it has some hearts and it has an and. Like, you can just change up the wording and make it your own sentences, or sentiments, I should say. And then it came with dies for the 3 different sized butterflies. I love it. Thank you so, so much. Oh, I love it. Okay, so that one thing that I showed you that was supposed to be a surprise. So I had been wanting this stamp so bad, and I couldn't find it anywhere. And she found it, and I was crying when I opened up my gift. So it's called Buzzy Friends Hop It Bundle, and it's from 2006. And she found it. Isn't it cute? So it's bunnies that are bees. They're just as bees. And it's sniffing a flower. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. I love everything she got me, but this made me really happy. Oh gosh. So thank you so much, Bestie, for all of my things. I love everything. You made my day. I love you. Okay. Thanks, guys, for watching. Love you guys. Bye-bye.